You have so far done the homework of identifying your existing 4 images, then your SDHD, then the best 4 images you want to create for your future. Am I right? Understand this important principle. Whatever is not letting you become your authentic inner image, outer image, others image, life image, that is incompletion. Listen. See, the best inner image you want to become, best outer image you want to become, best others image you want to have, best life image you want to have. That is your authentic inner image, outer image, others image, life image. I wanted you all to listen. See, listen and then raise your hand. How many of you found out when you wrote the best inner image, best outer image, best others image, best life image, all 4 automatically got aligned? That is what is authenticity. Understand? That is what is authenticity. When all the 4 automatically fall in shape, fall in tune, that is what is authenticity. Now, whatever is not allowing you to become this authentic inner image, outer image, life image, others image, that is what I call incompletions. Whatever inner image, outer image, others image, life image you created authentically, which is aligned. The authentic inner image, outer image, life image, others image. Whatever past thoughts, emotions, patterns, hangovers, residues sitting in the present and suffocating you, not letting you live your future, is incompletion. And whatever is stopping you achieve your authentic inner image, outer image, others image, life image, is incompletion. Whatever patterns, incompletions, thoughts, emotions, hangovers, residues, stopping you from achieving your 4 authentic images, stopping you from achieving 4 authentic images, is incompletion. How many of you understand? Now, all your SDHDs are incompletion. All your SDHD is incompletion. Listen to this. I am giving you one example. Listen. The authentic inner image you want to have, early morning, every day you want to wake up, 4 o'clock and do yoga. That's the authentic inner image you want to have. But the inner image you have is, you cannot get up before 10 o'clock. So now what is the incompletion? The early morning sleep pattern. What is the reason for that pattern? You trying to fight and failing, and tremendous non-interest, tiredness, boredom. These are the patterns stopping you becoming authentic. Am I right? I am taking one example. How many of you understand? So can we take few minutes, pen down all the patterns which is not letting you become authentic? So now sit with the existing inner image, outer image, life image, others image, and new inner image, outer image, others image, life image. Inauthentic identity, authentic identity. See, to become authentic identity, what all the patterns, incompletions stopping you? Can we list? How many of you understand what I am saying? Can we list? Please list, so that we will start completing with all that. It can go up to even 100. That is okay. And now whatever you did, the next step of that process, listen, let me first explain, then you can read. For example, if you have written laziness, is reason for my inauthenticity, not becoming authentic. Then go back to your life. See when you started encouraging laziness in you. See, if you are forced to do something which you don't want, then the laziness develops in your system. When you are asked to do something which you don't want, the boredom develops in your system. At what age you started developing laziness? How you are entertaining those incident, understand? Each incompletion pattern starts with an incident. So try to recollect, try to look into your life. Each incompletion you wrote, how many of you wrote more than 50? Raise your hand. If it is less than 50, something is wrong in your thinking. No, really. You cannot be less than 50 incompletion. Then you will be almost enlightened. Anyhow, each incompletion, try to find the incidents. Because only by reliving the incidents you are going to complete it. Understand? Incident is the root where the incompletions start. Incident is the root where the incompletions are rooted. So if you have written 50 incompletion, for each incompletion try to recollect the incident. When it started developing or you started encouraging. Pen down the incident. How many of you understand what I am saying? Shall we start? Please start. See, I can give you an example. If the incompletion is fear of going to the beach, the incident is the murder in the beach which you saw. That's all, like that. Sometimes even if you see somebody else is being beaten by the police, you will develop the fear of police. Even if you hear and see the stories in others' life, you will develop the pattern. So in that case, look into that and pen down. Incompletion stops you becoming authentic. Even if it is 50-year-old, 20-year-old addictions, habits, I commit with you, I can blow it away. I can just blast them away. I can just make them disappear. So understand, don't worry about, oh, it is 10-year-old addiction, 20-year-old addiction, 30-year-old addiction, 30-year-old incompletion, 30-year-old habit. No, don't worry. Think and dig out and pen them down. I'll clear it. I can clear it and I'll clear it. But unless you find out and pen down, I cannot clear it. Because the ethics of enlightenment, I can only enter into as long as you allow me. It's like the road, the garbage cleaners will come. Whatever you take it as a garbage and put it in the dustbin and keep it outside the house, they will take it and go. If you are keeping something inside the house, the garbage man thinks it is a furniture. I cannot enter into your house and take it away. But whatever you keep as a garbage bag, that I can clear it. So whatever you keep as a incompletion, I'll clear them away. Whatever you are aware, you have to pen down. In the name of not aware, you try to become lazy. At least that much you have to do. Identifying which is garbage and which is not.
My spouse usually says when I'm stressed, I don't mean to be rude, but the tone I say things, to him it feels rude. I don't know how to write that.
So, why you become rude? Naturally the fear makes you aggressive.
Aggressive, yeah. He tells me I'm aggressive.
That's what
I don't feel it.
And that's what
It's
I'm
just the
saying.
way-
Fear makes you aggressive. Fear makes others experience aggressiveness in you. Your fear, you become aggressive. Understand?
But
That
what-
fear you will be controlled. Only you start controlling.
But what fear? It's usually when I'm like
Look
stressed.
in. You only have to find out when you started feeling the fear of being controlled
Controlled by...
by whoever, the life or people around you. Look back. That's the incompletion.
Hi. Okay, I want to ask, as I'm doing my incompletions, and you say there should be many, but I've been doing this for a while. So do you eventually get to one root?
No. About that you don't worry now. Now pen down only whatever I am saying.